Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Erica, and today's video is National Pizza Day. So I'm going to be making some polymer clay pizzas, and I just decided to go ahead and share it with you guys because it's pizza day and who doesn't love pizza. So to get started, I am using a light dough color, and if you don't have this, you just mix beige with a little bit of white and translucent and maybe a little bit of yellow, and then roll it out into a ball, then squish it flat, and then go ahead and add some texture to give it that dough kind of texture, and it'll also make the pizza look more bubbly when you add the cheese. Then go ahead and use some soft pastels and some brown shades. I am using ones from Hobby Lobby. The camera quality isn't the greatest because I had natural lighting. I didn't use actual lighting, so you can't really see it, but I'm going to be mixing the Kato PolyClay liquid, and I got this at Hobby Lobby, and I mixed it with some acrylic paint. You can use chalk pastels if you want to, or you can even use clay too. The cheese part is actually white clay mixed with a little bit of yellow to give it that creamy color, and again with that Kato clay, the liquid one. And I just go ahead and I spread it on there, and then I added some more chalk pastels and the orange and yellow, and then I took some reddish brownish oranges kind of clay, and I made little bitty pepperonis, and I used a toothbrush to add some texture along with some more chalk pastels to give it that oily color that cheese has once you bake it. So now this is a box that I'm making for my pizza. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Happy Pizza Day! Bye guys!